If you're new to the channel, we're jumping right in now. We done ready. Kman, we done ready. Yeah man, I got that. I was gonna react to that one, man. So, but since I'm going on this, I'm gonna react to Kman T, then I'm gonna jump into Prince Wani, then I'm gonna go to the Done Ready, and then I'm gonna finish off with Wakadan Wani. You see me? So, yeah man, guys. Swandan, big up Swandan. You say Swandan keys, yo. That's what's up, man. That's what I like about the islands, man. You know what I'm saying? So small and everything. You know, your neighbors can be, the superstar can be right around, right around the corner. You see me? Yeah, man. You know anything now. Big up Swandan. Big up Keys. Big up the Trinidad massive. You know what I'm saying? Big up the whole Caribbean. Yeah, man. Yeah, somebody want Prince Wani guns like these. Blood Keys music want that job. No, alright, man. I hope I can get to the one so we can get to Prince Wani next. Alright. Next song we're reacting to Kman 6ixx Team T. Kman 6ixx, real dope artist. We've been reacting to his channel for a minute. You know what I'm saying? So big up Kman 6ixx. And it was 6. You know what I'm saying? So yeah man, this one called Team T. We're gonna check it out and see what go on. Yeah, see me. So if you're watching the rerun, we're reacting to this live. Make sure you stay tuned. Keep your eyes peeled for the live, cause we're lit right now. We got Keys music, we got Judah, we got Godspeed, we got Taj Marish, we got Zenil, we got FF Vibes. Come on, the whole Dan Mafia is in the chat right now. Big up on the damn self, man. Energy there. You see me? But now hold up the vibes much longer. This is Kman 6ixx Team T. Let's get it.
Six dance if you chill them out, I will not give one fuck. I will love buzz gun till it them pin back. Kill once and my dog, them just can't stop shot.
Man say kick the dance if we drill them out, we don't give up. And we love squeeze till the damn pin broke.
Running in your face, but we just woke up. Life going on your body call up. One in your belly, dog, I fall up. Storm on your base, boys, I hold up. We go chill.
Say one in your head and your body call up. One in your belly and your body fall up.
Long ends carry a robot. If you feel like run, you will get gunned down. And we got more shot when they clip them done. Team that fast and not that for your tongue. And we have enough shot for your hands bun down, dog.
I say if you feel like run, you will get gunned down. And we have more shot when you shot them done. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Some other feel so when shot done are safe. No, more shot there. Cha-cha.
Nobody like me. Kill paper daily, dog. I'm in the chaos. Past the pib in the brag boat. Boy, Syrian drag out. Girl texting sweet like star now. Life going grave house, boy, turn out.
Yo, bro, why all Trini artists so smooth on the track, bro? Why all Trini artists so smooth on the track? These men can sing their ass off, bro. Like them man are born in the church, bro. Or them man they're born with vocalists from birth for this, bro. You know what I'm saying? This a dope ass track, man. And big up West Bank where big up the whole Trinidad. You know what I'm saying? It's a little project West Bank put together. Yeah man, big up him there himself, man. And this artwork is crazy, man. If you notice on the train side says going global, and then you got long live, I believe that's K Lion. The K is for K Lion, and then long live, I believe that R6 for Rebel 6, and long live CJD. Who's that? Who's CJD, guys? Let me know in the comment section. You say long live CJD? Who's that? I don't know who's that, man. But me say long live WD. That's Wakadan. And long live LLB. Who is that? Who is LLB? Let me know, dog. Who is CJD and LLB? I don't know who those two are. Long live them, man. Rest in peace. You see me? But this artwork is crazy. Yeah, man. Big up K Lion, Rebel 6, Wakadan. You see me? And who is LLCJD? I don't know who that is. And LLB. Let me know. CJ Dan. Oh, long live CJ Dan. Okay. Big up yourself, CJ Dan. And who's LLB? I don't know who that is, man, but the artwork tough. Big up all of them, man. Definitely gone before them, gone before them time. But you see me? But I like how they paying homage to all of them in artworks and in the music, you know what I'm saying? And if you notice, Chance said going global. All of those artists was about to be big, man. Yeah, man. All of them was going to be big, man. So big up to them. Shout out to them, man. This is a dope ass track too. You know what I'm saying?
Mad move in the soul gone. Light out like roll on. See life on the line, can't hold on. Fully dance, whole team full of moron. Handpick, we don't act this. Badness, we love practice. Shotgun in the face, backflip.
Handpick, they know hot this. I'm Tiosh. Shot boy, I feel on practice, yo.
All of your friend dead cause of your lip. John Wick killer, full clip. Car full of rifle, man, that's it. 3 man.
This man say my John Wick killer to pussy clad. I him kill John Wick, that's crazy.
Jump out Surrey and shit, boy, stand up and freeze, easy target. Come a low place, where we left no trace. This Tyson, where we left no face. Kill tech burst and the whole vibrate. Life on the line, killer, but it's too late. Gone too soon, now we call that fate.
Man say gone too soon, I will call that fate, dog. Jaja. That's deep. That's heavy, man. That's heavy, man. That's for all them dogs them way gone to, man. You just say fear that ain't gone, you know, Jaja. That one they heavy. I feel that, you know what I'm saying? And they man say, yo, so other dogs, yo.
Ends band down, whole team migrate. None of them no better than the Japanese kid.
None of them no better than Japanese kid.
Them no bad like we. Kill people daily, dog. And we no care who say. We love send boy in a mug.
They're not bad like we. We kill people daily, dog. No. We got somebody got mug. Oh, yeah, that flow is crazy. Let me hear that hook. That hook is crazy. I like the hook, bro. I gotta pull up back the hook. The hook is dope, man. Let me know who they are. Keys, make up a damn self. Yeah, man. Hear the hook, bro. I like the hook.
Them no bad like we. Kill people daily, dog. And we no care who say. We love send boy no more.
That's a dope. Yo, that's fire, bro. This guy had it to the playlist, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come when I sing so calm, bro, and so smooth, bro, but that was some deadly shit, bro.
Me trick away evil. My killer them season. And we got no reason. Shut up pussy in the dark mouth. Kill him and laugh off.
Man say, well, I'm killing season, bro. We don't need no reason, my own. Damn you. In a dark, man, I shot you, brother. That man I shoot in a dark, man I shoot him, and I say, after you, man, the marksmanship good.
Hellgates all gone out, born evil, head boss friend ball out. In a bad like we, 6 them swing pan the hands daily. Boy chop flat when me a wavy. Come a simple, everything crazy. Come we love.
They drink pan the line daily. Boy bomb, hey, I'm to you now, boy dead on wave it. I'm to you.
Boss gun now we never lazy.
Everybody like we, every daily dog. And we know, me love say boy grandma. That flow is crazy. That hook is crazy. I like that hook, man. Kman, big up your bum by yourself, yo. I'm here, man. Yeah. Kman 6ixx, bro. Bad no blood clean. This man definitely growing on me and definitely growing to be one of my favorite. He's growing to be one of my favorite 6 artists. I ain't gonna cap to you, man. Yeah, man. Every song I've listened from Kman 6ixx, man, the man's so smooth and us. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big up Kman 6ixx, man. You don't know. Big up. I like that, man. Real dope track. That's a dope ass artist, man. You know what I'm saying? That's a dope ass artist, dog. He's doing his damn thing. Yeah, man. But me rate that one, the guys. One thing about the one, the people. You see me? If you're watching the rerun, you know what I'm saying? If you're watching the video and not live, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe and drop the comments. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Definitely go show the artist some love and support it. Don't know, man. And try to catch it live next time, because we lit over here, man. The vibes there. We got Keys Music in the building. We got Judah. We got Zanil. We got Godspeed. We got Taj Morris. We got FF Vibes. We got Judah. You know what I'm saying? Varsity. Big up on the damn self. Neil. Big up on yourself, man. We over here. We have a good time. The energy is dope. The energy is high. Yo, we're just over here enjoying ourselves, man. I hope y'all enjoying yourself too. Thank y'all for joining live. I don't know, man. We're doing this more often. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, man.